how to recover deleted timeline on Google Maps. So if you want to recover deleted timeline on Google Maps, then what you need to do is first, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Google Maps. After opening your Google Maps, you need to just go with the top right, which has that profile section. And from the profile, you'll have an option of manage your Google account. So tap on manage your Google account. And here you need to just simply scroll down, and then you will have an option of data and privacy. You need to tap on it. And under your data and privacy, you need to scroll down until you find the option of download. So just scroll down and then you'll find download or delete your data. Go with download your data and you'll find this kind of screen pop out. Scroll down and untick all the options like this. Then just select maps and timeline. Go and unselect each and every option and only select maps and timeline. Once you've done that, you need to just go and click on export, or go with next step, which is on the bottom, and then choose the file type, frequency, and destination, and then click on export. And you'll find your file, or it will be sent to your Gmail, and you'll be able to download the file and check your deleted timeline on your Google Map. That's how you can check the deleted timeline or deleted location history. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.